Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing the DNS Benchmark tool and ensuring your PC is on a stable connection. This reduces noise in measurements. Once installed, close game clients and bandwidth-heavy apps so DNS queries reflect your network, not background traffic. Launch the tool and run the standard test to gather baseline latency, query time, and failure rates for many public and ISP servers. This first run tells you which servers to focus on. Write down the top 3 low-latency, high-reliability candidates for Fortnite. Once you have results, sort by average query time and reliability. Low jitter matters more than tiny millisecond gains. Make sure to rerun tests at different times to catch ISP caching effects and evening congestion, then compare consistency across runs. Pick 3 candidates: the fastest, the most consistent, and a geo-aware provider near your Fortnite region. You do this because DNS impacts initial handshake and matchmaker lookups, so a reliable server reduces lookup delays and can shave off perceived. Now apply the chosen DNS addresses either in your router for network-wide effect or on your PC's adapter settings if you prefer local control. After changing, flush the DNS cache and reboot the game client so Fortnite picks up the new resolver. This forces fresh lookups. Monitor match join times and ping in-game for several sessions. If you see worse behavior, swap to your second candidate, reflush cache, and rule out ISP-level filtering or VPN interactions. These are common causes of unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.